I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen to get a blizzard. What the HE double hockey sticks? I forgot my money. What am I gonna do now? I've got an idea. I'll just steal Mina the Fox's Oreo blizzard.
Man, I can't wait to eat my Oreo blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's gonna be so yummy. Wow! Ice flower. Why did you win my blizzard? That was mean.
Well, you see, Mina, I forgot my money, so that's why I ate your Oreo blizzard.
Hey, what's wrong, Mina? I was coming here to get some food and I heard yous crying. It looks like ice flour has something to do with it. Is something wrong?
Ice flower ate my blizzard.
She did what? What the frick? Thanks for telling me, Mina. He's gonna get it now. Ice flour, what the is wrong with you? How dare you eat Mina the Fox's Oreo blizzard? She bought it with her own money. Now she's upset cause of you.
But BSB 910. I have no monies.
So, that's no reason to steal Mina's blizzard. Get out of here right now. You're dead to me.
No 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 no.
I'm very sorry ice flour inhaled your blizzard, Mina.
It's alright, but I'm really craving a Oreo blizzard right now. I might go get another one.
You don't have to do that. I'll pay for the blizzard for you. Then you don't have to spend the money for it.
Yay. Thank you so much, BSB 910.
When Dark Cheesy got home.